If you love fitness, read this before you choose your future. Close your eyes for a moment. Fast forward 3 years. It's 2029. You're waking up on a Monday morning. 2 versions of you exist. Let's look at both. Path 1, comfort and delay. You still go to the gym. You still enjoy fitness. You still help friends occasionally, but professionally, nothing changed. You chose the safe option, a job that pays bills but doesn't excite you. Fitness stayed a hobby. You wonder sometimes, what if I had tried? But the moment passed. Not because you weren't capable, because you hesitated. Path 2, structured decision. Now look at the second version. 3 years ago, you made one decision: to treat your passion seriously. You enrolled in structured personal training education, not casually, professionally. You learned anatomy in depth, movement correction, program design, client communication, injury prevention. You didn't just work out, you studied the science behind it. Year 1, foundation. The first year was uncomfortable. You realized how much you didn't know. But instead of discouraging you, it sharpened you. Knowledge replaced ego. Structure replaced randomness. You began seeing the body differently. Every movement had purpose. Every cue had reasoning. Year 2, application. You began working with clients. First carefully, then confidently. You helped someone reduce back pain, improve mobility, gain strength, regain confidence. That feeling was different than hitting a personal PR. It was impact. Year 3, stability. Now it's 2029. You're not wondering about direction. You have one. You're earning through skill, growing through experience, building reputation. And most importantly, you're respected because you prepared properly. The real question: both futures are possible. The difference is not talent. The difference is action. Many people love fitness. Few commit to building a professional foundation. Passion without structure fades. Passion with education grows. Why education matters? The fitness industry is evolving. Clients expect knowledge, safety, professionalism. You cannot fake preparation long term. Eventually, gaps show. Structured programs exist to remove those gaps. Through classroom education, real gym training, client simulations, mentorship. Confidence becomes earned, not forced. Where decision happens? The future version of you isn't built later, it's built today. Every delay compounds, every action compounds too. The question isn't, is personal training a real career? The question is, will you approach it like one? 3 years from now, you will wake up somewhere. In one reality, you'll wonder what could have been. In the other, you'll be building something meaningful. Both are realistic. Only one requires courage today. If fitness is more than a hobby to you, explore structured education and choose the version of yourself you want to become.